In this session, let us take one more problem. Okay, we'll get given problem only. This is a common data question. Okay, 4-pole 50H alternator. See, 4-pole 50H alternator has 48 slots in which a double layer winding is used. Each coil has 10 turns and is short pitched by an angle of 36 degrees. Okay, the fundamental flux per pole is 25 milliwebers. The line to line induced EMF for 3-phase star connection approximately equals to. Okay, we have to calculate induced voltage per phase now, and into the multiplied by root 3 will give you line voltage. Okay, what is the induced voltage equation? Induced voltage per phase equal to root 2 pi f pi number of series connected turns per phase into Kp Kd. Now about Kp Kd, did they give any information or not? Let us see. Okay, short pitched by 36 degrees. Okay, short pitched by 36 degrees means that short pitching angle is 36 degrees, means my Kp pitch factor has to be found. And if you think of distribution, whether my winding is going to be distributed or not will be decided by how many slots will be there per pole per phase. Okay, if it is more than one, automatically distribution has to be there. So let me calculate distribution factor. Okay, distribution factor equal to sine q gamma by 2 by q sine gamma by 2. Whether my winding is going to be distributed or not will be decided by q. So let me calculate q. Q is going to be how much? Slots per pole per phase. Okay, so 48 slots are there per pole, 4 pole into 3 phases. So it's going to be 4. What does it mean? Per pole, 180 degrees electrical per pole. Okay, per phase, 4 slots are there for each and every individual phase winding. Okay, so we have to calculate this distribution factor. So what is gamma here? Gamma is going to be slot angle. So means how many poles are there? 4 poles are there. 4 poles are there. Per pole, how much will be the electrical angle? 180 degrees divided by. Okay, total number of slots. How many total number of slots are there? 48. Okay, so slot angle is going to be 15 degrees. Okay, now means let me calculate by placing these here. Okay, my distribution factor is going to be 0.958. Okay, now let me calculate pitch factor. What is Kp? Is going to be cos epsilon by 2. Okay, so what is epsilon? Short pitching angle. Short pitching angle is going to be 36 degrees. Okay, maybe at the end I will tell you why this question is having one mistake or flaw. Okay, I'll tell you later. But anyway, short pitch factor equal to cos 36 by 2 is going to be 0.951. Okay, now see, actually here you have to focus on calculation of number of turns, because most of the times I have seen people are confused unnecessarily because they said that it's double layer winding and 10 turns. Okay, I will explain anyway. So this is going to be root 2 into pi into frequency is going to be how much? 50 into my flux per pole 25 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into, please focus here all of you. Okay, see, means my number of turns. Okay, how many slots are there? Previously also explained you total number of slots, just feel it once. Total number of slots multiplied by conductors in each slot will give you total conductors. How many slots are there? 48 slots are there. So in my stator slots are going to be 48. Okay, in each slot how many layers are there? 2. In each layer, how many conductors are there? 10. Now this particular 10 is turns or conductor? It's going to be conductors only, because let me tell you here, for example, I'm going to have, okay, this is going to be stator. In the stator, for example, these are the slots. Okay, in each slot I have double layer. double layer winding. Okay, so like if I say each layer, this is going to be A and this is going to be A dash for two pole machine. Okay, so for each layer, in each layer, if I say 10 turns are there, what does it mean? So in each layer here, for example, here two conductors are there, here two conductors are there, combinedly A dash, two turns are there. Okay, so I can say in each layer two turns are there. Okay, so in each layer two turns are there means in each layer, for example, this is the first layer, in the second layer two turns are there. Okay, so if I consider two slots, turns will come. If I consider individual slot, conductors only will come. Okay, so see here, how many total slots are there? 6. Okay, so how many total slots are there? 6. Multiplied by in each slot, how many layers are there? 2. Multiplied by in each layer, how many conductors are there? Okay, so if you consider turns, you have to consider slots by 2. Okay, so if you want to consider turns, how many turns you have to consider? Slots by 2 is going to be 3. Okay, so if you are considering total number of slots, means that in each slot conductors only will be there, turns will not be there. Okay, coming to the point, see how many slots are there? 48. And in each slot, how many layers are there? 2. In each layer, how many conductors are there? Focus here. Okay, so conductors are 10. Okay, multiply, these are going to be total conductors, divided by 2 will give you number of turns, divided by 3 will give you number of turns per phase, multiplied by Kp Kd 0.958 multiplied by 0.951. Okay, so answer is going to be 809.3 volts. This is going to be phase voltage. How much will be line voltage? Line voltage equal to √3 into phase voltage. Okay, so √3 into 809.3. Okay, so that is going to be 1401 volts, or roughly I can say 1400 volts. Okay, now with the same data they have given one more question, that is for the same fifth harmonic component of EMF, phase EMF they asked. Okay, so fifth harmonic component of induced voltage E5 equal to √2 pi into 5 times frequency, because fifth harmonic √2 pi f into flux of fifth harmonic component √2 pi f pi number of series connected turns, Kp for fifth harmonic, Kd for fifth harmonic. Let me calculate Kp for fifth harmonic. So Kp for fifth harmonic equal to cos h epsilon by 2. Okay, so cos h harmonic is 5 into how much is epsilon? 36 degrees. So 36 by 2 is going to be how much? Cos 90 is going to be 0. Okay, so the moment pitch factor is going to be 0, means net is going to be 0, induced voltage of the fifth harmonic will be 0, so answer will be this. Now, as I told you, I will tell you the flaw here. Okay, so what is the slot angle we got here? Slot angle is 15 degrees. Slot angle is 15 degrees. For example, means if I say this is going to be conductor A and A dash. Okay, so from here to here, how many slots will be there? You cannot calculate, because if per slot is 15 degrees, for example, if this is short pitched by 2 slots, if it is short pitched by 2 slots, 2 into 15 degrees, 30 degrees will be the short pitching angle. But how they got 36 degrees? How they got 36 degrees? I don't know. Okay, because if they are short pitched by 3 slots, under that condition angle will be, short pitching angle epsilon will be 45 degrees. Okay, so in this problem 36 degree short pitching angle is not at all possible to get, but as they have given the data, we solved it.